Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a very spooky, scary makeup transformation inspired by a new movie that's out that was based off of one of my favorite books growing up, and that is Scary Stories to Tell in the Dark. Now I'm going to do my look based off more of the book series, but there is an amazing part in the trailer to this movie where she has like these yellowish boils. I'm actually going to include that too as well off the original sketch design of the woman that we're going to turn into today, who has spiders coming out of her face, and I am deathly afraid of spiders, so this is super extra spooky, scary to me. And no, before I get started, I'm not naked. I have a tube top on because it is blazing hot this summer, and we're gonna paint some spiders and creepy things on our face, and I can't wait to show you. So to start off, we're gonna put a wig cap on because definitely gonna have some dark black hair. And you guys know the drill. If you see these red dots, it's not part of the makeup, it's at my actual skin because I'm allergic to so many things. I get contact dermatitis from trying on new clothes or trying on someone else's sweater that's not washed in baby detergent, or different products on my body. It sucks. If I use the wrong deodorant, I'm down for like a week. I get this stuff. Gross. Now let's make our face a little bit pale and sickly looking. And to do that, I'm gonna grab one of my lightest shades of foundations from my Graftobain palette and just pat that on my face. Alrighty then, so now we're going to just stipple on this dead skin color. It's a shade or two lighter than my skin color. We wanna look sick, like the spiders are sucking our life apart from the inside out. Alright, now that we have our base down of sickly death girl, we're gonna powder it. Just make sure you don't crease with some translucent setting powder. This is just the RCMA No Color. Then I'm gonna go in with my Poise multitasking creams to get some dead look. Just really make it look like we've been going through it. If you want to look real tired, kind of like old aging, but we're just gonna look more tired than usual. Contouring the nose a little. Have our skin sag kinda. Use your beauty blender to blend in any marks. Now I'm going to go in with some brow gel just to make the brows a little bit more naturally bushy. I'm going to get some cream red paint to paint in these eyes right here, the waterline. And on the inside of the lip, like they're really bleedy, chapped, gross. And then some brown. Just gonna powder that all down again. And then I'm gonna go into this aging alcohol palette to really make it look sunken and very sickly. Alright, now that we did all that, I'm going to start drawing in the hole mark where we're going to do where the spiders burst out of the skin from. In here. And then I'm just going to get some Infected Tone Fast Effects. This is by Dermaflage. These are amazing, like silicone based products that make effects in like 5 minutes. I am just going to pump this out and make something gross with it. If you don't have this, because they're pretty pricey, you could use gelatin, 3rd degree, but I want, oh, that's so good. That definitely looks like some sort of oozy bug bite about to pop. I'm gonna wait for these two to dry before I get some more, maybe. While that's dry, I'm gonna get some gray eyeshadows and just play with some color on my eye. Just getting some black aqua paint for these baby spiders. What have I got myself into? They kind of look like, remind me of daddy long legs. Oh, this has creeped me out already, and I just did one spider. Just trying to conquer my fears. I am so afraid of spiders. Oh dear baby Jesus. Why did I choose to do this? Ah, we need to do a big bad boy here. Oh gosh. They're just soot sprites. They're just soot sprites. They're just Hayao Miyazaki soot sprites from Spirited Away Cat. There's nothing to worry about. There's nothing to worry about. You're fine. It's okay. Sweet baby Jesus, that one's so good. And I'm gonna have nightmares. No wonder I'm up till 2 in the morning doing this. Gonna do some of my neck crawling up to my face. Why? Why do I do this to myself? I'm gonna use some alcohol buds, so hopefully it doesn't ruin the makeup so bad. And I could put blacks with it. I'll put some blood here, even though it's not in the picture. Just feel like it. In the mouth lip. I'm loving this alcohol blood. It's pretty nice. Now I'm gonna get some black. Not black. I'm gonna mix it with blood because I don't like doing straight up black in looks like this. To do the shadow marks. Do a little broken piece of skin there. And I'm gonna do it over here. Alright, I'm gonna get some of this foundation to put it on this, but then, just wait. I'm gonna get a little bit of alcohol and make sure that that yellow pussiness on the tip is showing through. Oh yeah. And I'm even gonna go as far to make sure that there's a spider coming out. Now for the good part. I'm going to get the little tips of qTips to make spider eggs. Just got some lash glue, or you could get prosaide, spirit gum, whatever. Let's get some. I'm telling you, I'm crazy. I like to do these too realistic. Just way dang too realistic. So you just get the little tiniest bit of a Q-tip end, roll it in between your fingers, put some eyelash adhesive, prosaide, whatever you got, and like they're nesting in my face. You know, I'm just crazy. Maybe one little tiny bit of one more. Let's put some blood around it. Why not? Why not? Just cover them in blood a little. Now I'm just gonna get some matte black eyeshadow to darken in these baby beautiful spiders. Alright, now it's time to put a wig on. Y'all are probably tired of this wig, but it looks perfect. I use this for my Exorcist, Hermione, and the Spider Girl. It's like that perfect natural brown with the sloppy bang. Let's show that pimply wimply. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that didn't spook you too much. Sorry to anybody who's afraid of spiders like I am. This was definitely a challenge to do late at night when you're terrified of spiders and can't sleep. I hope you enjoyed. If you don't have alcohol paints and stuff, you could definitely just use some fake blood. And you don't have to do the spider boils and like bites underneath the skin. Thank you guys so much for watching. All the products I use in this video will be listed down below in the description box as always. Subscribe for more videos. I do 2 videos a week of beauty makeups and effects videos that are creepy and cool and fantastic like this one. Now it's time to take this off. Definitely check out this product if you're into looking for a great Halloween effect because they're super easy to use. I love Dermaflage. They're such a good company. They have great customer service and great products and a flash. Can't wait to wipe off all of these spiders off my face. Leave me a comment below on what's your greatest fear. I would love to hear it. Mine are definitely spiders and choking. Wow, that black aqua paint is strong, baby. I can't wait to do more videos for you all. I love your guys' suggestions on all of the videos. There's so many great things to come. I'm already looking forward to Halloween. I don't know about you, but 'tis my season, my life. Ugh, I hate wiping my neck. I love that brow product too. If you want a good brow gel, check out that Sigma one. It's my all-time favorite. Now it's time for me to shower. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video, creators. Bye! Do not get creeped out. I'm gonna be itching at night. I think it's crawling me. Love y'all. Bye.